Hello, and on today we will be taking a look at Carly. All right, there's Carly. All right, she has been made out of a Superstation cranky. All right, we made her, and there she is in her yellow sporting, and she is going to be living down here at Brendam Docks next to Cranky. All right, so there she is, and yes, she has a hook, and she can turn and lower her hook a little bit and lower her arm, her crane arm, so just like the Superstation version of Cranky, I should say. And there she is, and you'll be seeing her in our upcoming videos living right here next to Cranky. There she goes. We're also going to take a look at some other things we're doing, and one of them, of course, is going to be Miss Rosie. Let's take a closer look at Rosie. All right, so Rosie in red is red now, right? All right, so we painted her and we made her side stickers and everything. And now she's red and gold and white, as depicted now in the CGI series. She also, of course, she also has a light and a working tail light and a working headlight. Okay, so that is Rosie in red. Right, Rosie in red. There she is. All right, that's Rosie. The other small little update I want to give you guys that we are working on and doing, not small because it's taking me a minute, but also Caitlin is finding her coaches. So cool. Let's take a look at Caitlin. Cool. Maybe she'll be back. There's Rosie, Caitlin, and Carly. All right. All female engines getting their updates. So stay tuned. We got a couple of little stories we're working on. And of course the collection video where we're going to hopefully show everything that we got in one video. It's taking me a minute to edit it, but I'm working on it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We got some other customs we're gonna make too, or we're working on, but you'll either see them in their own videos or you will see them in the collection video. All right, cool. All right, thank you, and thanks for watching. We got to get Rosie going, and we're gonna get Carly doing some work too. Cool? All right, thanks.
Hello, I'm Rosie. I have a very important job to do.
Stay on track.
I want to be just like Thomas.